In this video, my MR2 takes on the California law, with the exhaust law now being enforced and emissions. Things are not looking good for this car, considering what happened 2 years ago, and just how loud it is. When it comes to the exhaust, this is my only defense. It's going to be a cold start. I bought this on Amazon for 20 bucks. It was Amazon choice. Let's open her up and see what we find. Let me do a little bit of reading and I'll be right back. So according to the instructions, right now it's reading the atmosphere, which is why it's fluctuating as soon as I talk. Like I said, this is not looking good for the MR2 right now. Alright, see what happens. So the car is just right there, about 5 feet. And this is going to be a cold start. I haven't used the car in about, what, a week? This will be good. So right now the car is just idling. And yeah, it's too loud. But there are cars way louder than this, so I'm wondering how they're gonna deal with it. They definitely cannot afford a $1,000 fine. Well, she failed this test, so let's see how she does with the emissions. Smog is my only hope. Don't let me down, car. Don't let me down. I did a little more reading and it turns out that this thing can be calibrated, because it's weird to me that just talking right here it's 85.9. I mean, it doesn't make sense to me. So maybe it got banged around during shipping and needs to be recalibrated. At least that's what I hope, because this is not as loud as it should be. Or at least in the car. I mean, so 83, are you kidding me? Just in the car? Talking, it could push it up to 90s? Come on. Here we are. Let's see if the car passes. Ugh. Bad news. We did not get the smog done because he said it looks like the car is having problems, even though I'm not having any problems right now. That kind of worries me a bit. But I don't see how it has any problems. It's driving just fine. There's no smell of oil or anything. So I'm a bit concerned. I came to a different place. Hopefully, well, I don't know what to say. Let's see what happens. That's all we can do. Well, machine's broken. It broke on Saturday. It's gonna take about 2 days to fix, so I think the universe is telling me that this car is not gonna pass. The whole world's against it right now. I'm gonna try one more place, see what happens. I at least need to get a reading on where the car is. Looks like they might be done, or at least that's what I think. I think they might be done because they headed to the back of the car. Hopefully everything went well and it passed. So here are the results at 15 miles an hour and at 25. You can see the RPM right there. And let's go down. You can see the max. I'm allowed to have 85. The car came out with 34. 67. I came out with 27. What does it mean? Hold on. The amount measured. Max. Average. Yeah. Here we are. Look at that. She passed. She actually passed. I was a bit scared that she wasn't, because they were having problems with the exhaust. Apparently that rod that they stick in there to measure this wasn't staying in there. So she did it. 1 out of 2 isn't bad, but I'm thinking of changing the exhaust now to the stock, which I don't know, or maybe just get one with a couple of mufflers. And that's where I'm going to end today's video, because I got some thinking to do about the exhaust and the future of the car. So, see you guys next time.